Ito lang ta, ma'am.
Nakulbaan ko. Basin Bombay ko.
Usa. Kani, ma'am, ay sa likod. Ito lang ta, ma'am. Ma'am.
Nakulbaan ko. Mabenta talaga to. Ay, nako.
Ay, shit.
Need you is all that I can say. Deep inside of me, you know I want more each day. Time won't let me have the chance, so I've got to see you even at a glance. I know it's hard for you to see exactly how much you mean to me.
Dear Hazel May Almaguan, I remember back in our senior high school days how everyone gathers around you. Friendly, sociable, smart, and grabe ka mo. Text and chat. Normal days gone by, but after nagpa-partner ka sa dance, I felt something new. Being the first time na I tried to respond to my feelings, I approached you. Remember ato ang mga bets? Tuyuon ako mapildi, makapanding lang ka. It was a bet I was ready to lose. Happy kaayo ko na abot ka sa ako ang life. Pero as life goes on, our happy moments also comes to an end. Nagka-LDR ta, communications, nagkagamay as time goes by. We keep holding on since Dubai na good ta. At your darkest and stressful times, mga times na need ko nimo, wala akong presence. On and off, and I know, sa grabe nimo kalambing, murag nagka-cold na ato ang relationship. I did not change kay kampante ko nga naara ka always. Pero as everyone's love story, the longer the relationship, the closer it comes to an end. I am sorry for being lucky, mahal ko. Remembering all those times, I want to fight for our relationship. Sana you'll give us a chance. Because you are that important in my life. I have more words to say,
Chance,
but
ma'am.
I'll say it when we met.
Kilala mo yan.
Love, mahal, scammer, lapad, bok, zel, my first, and hopefully my last. I hope na apay comeback ato ang love story.
Yes.
Sending you lots of love from your hubby. Happy Valentine's Day.
Nakaka-touch na naman.
Ma'am, nakay-message.
Wala, kabalugay siya.
Need you is all that I can say. But deep inside of me, you know I want you more each day. But time won't let me have the chance, so I've got to see you even at a glance. I know it's hard for you to see exactly how much you mean to me. Since it's just a one-way street and I'm the only one who's on it, no one knows the way but me.